We were blown away. The facility's fabulous. It's just really a phenomenal location to have something like this. NIMSI, the National Math and Sciences Initiative in our district, which has to do with computational thinking. So all this ties in really, really well with processes and procedures and promoting that in our students. Michael, who is from Kidwin, the lessons that they have, they're very interactive, they're very engaging, and it's wonderful to see all these teachers getting really excited about it because you know that they're bringing that back to the classroom. So it's just a wonderful way to unite communities in education, which is what we're all about these days.
It's just an opportunity to kind of build that knowledge, get kids enthused about what the industry is that we do. And then also, if you think about it, we have to have technicians and personnel to operate our facilities. So what better way than to get them into a good career field that pays well, it's a good solid career for decades to come.
This event is sponsored by two entities, really. Pattern Energy, which is the wind company that runs, builds, maintains the wind farms north of Clovis, New Mexico, and Kidwind, which is an educational institution.
I've been doing wind energy now since 1996. I got here as quick as I could. It's been a great, wonderful experience dealing with people worldwide. All the different turbine OEMs or turbine manufacturers are based across the planet. It really kind of comes together working with those folks locally at the individual sites, and it really turns into a 20+ year relationship with those people.
Definitely bringing this back home to my own classroom. This is a relevant engineering project for all my kids, and it aligns to our next generation science standards, and I am sure that if I enjoyed it, my kids will surely enjoy it as well.